Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your search option and going to search for sticky notes, and then you will get this app sticky notes. If you click on that, it will open into your Windows. You can see. So if you just want to take a note, just simply click on the take a note, or just simply click on the plus button. And from here, you can type any notes if you want. If you're doing any work and if you want to take any notes, just simply you can write it down over here. Or if you want to copy anything, just simply you can copy it and paste it over here into your sticky note. By this, you can use it as well. Also, there is a setting bar, and from here you can do some general settings, like you can pick the color. If you want to give it as a light mode, you can do it as well. Also, there is option for dark, and also use my Windows mode. And there will be an option called confirm before deleting, and there is an option called enable insights. So this is all the settings, and this is how you can do it into your sticky notes. Also, there is a maximize option over here. You can also click the bold text over here. You can see those are bold. If you turn it off, it will be like this. And if you want some italic, then simply type, and that will be some italic style over here. Also, there is underlined option. If you type anything, those will be underlined. And if you want to cross anything, this will be this line over here. Also, there is a row section. You can enter and you will get next row over here. Also, you can attach the picture over here. From here, you can simply select your picture. This is how you can use sticky notes into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.